Hi viewers, today I am discussing about deep vein thrombosis. Deep vein thrombosis is a condition where a blood clot forms in one or more of the deep veins. Most commonly it occurs in the legs, but it can also occur in the arms, pelvis or other parts of the body. The clot can partially or completely block blood flow in the vein. Common symptoms of DVT include there will be swelling in one leg or arm in which the clot occurs. Throbbing or cramping pain, often in the calf or thigh, occurs. There will be warmth and redness, or there may be darkened skin over the affected area. Swollen tender veins are seen under the skin. Some DVTs have no symptoms. Some DVT cases have no symptoms. Risks and complication. Major risk of DVT is that the clot can break free and it can travel to the lungs and it can cause a pulmonary embolism, which is very life-threatening, potentially very life-threatening, and it requires immediate medical attention. Other complications other than pulmonary embolism include post-thrombotic syndrome. In post-thrombotic syndrome, there will be chronic pain. Patient will be complaining pain since long, swelling and skin changes, and recurrent DVT. Causes and risk factors. DVT usually occurs due to injury to veins and if there is impaired blood flow in the veins or increased clotting tendency. Risk factors. Some of the risk factors are patient may have undergone surgery or immobility, any kind of immobilization, cancer or obesity, pregnancy, patient on hormonal birth control pills. Any genetic factors and inflammation may come under risk factors for DVT. Treatment is to prevent clot growth and pulmonary embolism and often involves anticoagulant medications, compression stockings and sometimes surgery. Treatment duration can be months and compression stockings may be needed for years. So DVT is a serious condition involving blood clots in deep veins of the legs. Thank you.